In this video, I will guide you on how to write a Coursera financial aid application. The first step is to visit the Coursera website and open the course for which you want to apply for financial aid. If you can pay for a course without financial difficulty, it is recommended to do so because Coursera provides a limited number of scholarships each year. By accepting financial aid, you may be taking an opportunity from someone in greater need. However, if your current financial circumstances make it difficult to pay the full course fee, feel free to apply for financial aid without hesitation. To begin the process, click on the Financial Aid option available on the course page and then click on Continue to the application. Ensure that all the information you provide is accurate to improve your chances of approval. The application will first ask for your highest level of education. Next, enter your annual income in your local currency and select your current employment status. One crucial part of the application is explaining why you are applying for financial aid. This section must contain at least 150 words. Share your passion for the field and explain how this course will help you achieve your career goals. Also, describe your financial situation and why it prevents you from paying the full course fee. Once you've completed this section, scroll down and click on Next. The next step asks how much you can contribute toward the course fee. Coursera offers up to a 90% discount if your application is approved. In the following section, explain how this course will help you meet your goals. If you have taken any related courses in the past, mention them and describe how this course will enhance your skills. Providing detailed information about your interest in the field shows your commitment and increases your chances of approval. Once you've filled out all the sections, scroll down and check the two boxes to confirm your statements. In the final box, type, "I agree to the terms above." Complete the captcha and click on Review. You'll now see a summary of all the information you provided. If everything looks good, click Submit Application. Your application will be submitted and Coursera will notify you about their decision within 16 days.